Today, we're diving into a city built not of concrete, but of pure cooperation, the Bee Hive.
So, what's really going on in there? Well, it's a bustling metropolis with its own complex social order. We're going to look at the city's structure, its residents, a worker's career, and, of course, the secret to honey.
A honeybee colony is basically a superorganism, thousands of individuals all acting as one single being.
And get this, at its peak, a single colony can have up to 80,000 residents. Absolutely incredible.
So, who's in charge of this massive city? Well, it all comes down to 3 types of bees. First up, at the very heart of it all, you have a single vital individual, the queen.
Her whole job, lay eggs and release chemical signals that pretty much run the entire colony. Then you've got the real engine of the hive, the worker bees, and they do everything.
These are all sterile females, the queen's daughters, and they literally do all the work.
And last but not least, we have the drones. These guys are the only males in the hive. Their one and only purpose is to mate. After that, they're kicked right out of the hive. So just look at these numbers. It's a powerful matriarchy, run by one mother and her thousands of daughters.
A worker bee's life is actually a career. Her job changes as she gets older.
This career path ensures the colony's survival, and their development from egg to adult is incredibly fast. Seriously, look how quick this is. A worker bee goes from egg to adult in just 21 days. The workers feed the young larvae a special secreted food, then seal the cell for the big transformation.
All right, so how do they make that famous honey? It's not just stored nectar. It's all about chemistry.
See, when a forager collects nectar, she adds a special enzyme from her own body called invertase.
This enzyme basically breaks down the complex sugar in nectar into 2 much simpler sugars. That's the trick.
And why do this? It makes the honey sweeter, runnier, and helps it last all winter without spoiling. And this is why understanding their biology is key. Beekeepers can work with their instincts, not against them.
It's a city run not by rules, but by biology. So what can this incredible society teach us?